Hello, everybody. Good morning to all of you. Yeah, this is morning time, and this is John Onoy once again here with a new beautiful phrase. And the phrase is success is no accident. Yeah, you have right. Success is no accident. That means success requires effort and planning. And you know that there is another beautiful phrase: no pain, no gain. That means without effort, there is no reward. So, if you want to be a successful person in the world, you need patience, hard work, effort, plan, consistency, and determination. Without this, it's never possible to be a successful person in the world. So, just focus on your goal, mission, vision, journey, and success will be a biscuit throw for you. Thank you, everyone.